Ever get that feeling like you're stuck? You
Yeah.
know, you need to make a teeny tiny change to your business software, but calling a developer for every little thing, ugh, it's such a hassle and expensive too, right?
Oh, absolutely. It's like needing to call a plumber just to tighten a faucet.
Exactly. Like,
Uh,
what if you just need to change who can edit a certain field on a form? That shouldn't require a whole team of coders, right?
It really shouldn't. And thankfully, there are solutions out there that are making it so much easier for businesses to handle these little tweaks themselves.
Yeah, speaking of those solutions, we actually have someone with us today who's a total rock star in this area.
Oh, is this about Noor?
You know it.
Yeah.
Noor's like the spreadsheet whisperer, but for Acumatica. This powerful business management software, it's like her playground. At Tayana Solutions, she's helped clients solve, get this, over 150 unique problems, just like the ones we're talking about.
Wow, that's impressive. 150. What kind of things are we talking about here?
But one example that really blew my mind involves a sales order form. You know that field for the customer order number?
Uh-huh. Yeah?
Sometimes it needs to be locked down,
Yeah.
right? Super secure. But other times it needs to be editable, depending on who's using it.
Yeah, makes sense. Different roles, different permissions. So how'd she solve that?
Noor figured out a way to make it change automatically. Isn't that cool?
It is, but hold on. How do you make something like that automatic without, getting into complex coding?
That's the beauty of it. It's all thanks to this trend that's like taking over the software world. Low code, no code development. It's all about empowering people who aren't programmers to customize how their software behaves.
Okay, I'm intrigued. So instead of writing lines of code, what do you actually do?
It's more about visually configuring things,
Huh?
dragging, dropping, setting up the logic,
Mm-hmm.
kind of like building with Legos, but for your software.
Ooh, the Lego analogy. I love that. So much easier to grasp than like staring at a wall of code.
Right. And in this case, Noor used Acumatica's built-in tools to add the logic behind that customer order number field.
Okay, so walk me through the actual steps. What kind of logic did she set up?
Well, it's actually pretty simple, which is amazing. She created a rule that basically checks the user's role.
Got it. So like, if the person is a sales rep,
Boom.
Yeah.
They can edit the field, no problem. But if they're in accounting,
locked down to prevent any accidental changes. Smart.
exactly. And it all happens in the background, so the user just sees what they're supposed to see. Super smooth.
Wait though, does this mean anyone can just jump in and start messing with things?
That's a really good point. It's not a free-for-all, right? You definitely need some safeguards.
Yeah, I was thinking about that too. Like, even though these tools are designed to be user-friendly, there's always a risk that someone might, accidentally break something if they don't know what they're doing.
Definitely.
Well,
And that's why training is so important, even with low code, no code. You got to make sure people understand the power they have and use it responsibly.
Absolutely. It's like giving someone the keys to a really powerful machine. A little instruction goes a long way.
100%. And you know what's really cool about all this? It's not just about one field on a form, right?
Yeah.
This is about giving businesses so much more flexibility. They don't have to be at the mercy of developers for every little change.
You're right. It's about taking control, being agile, and adapting quickly to, whatever the world throws at you.
And saving a ton of time and money in the process. Think of all the things you could do with the resources you free up.
This is really getting me thinking, like, what other parts of our work could be streamlined with this approach? The possibilities seem endless.
They really do. It's almost like a whole new world of possibilities is opening up for businesses. And if our listeners are as excited about this as we are, I bet they're itching to learn more.
Definitely. Where should they go if they want to learn more?
Well, I highly recommend reaching out to Tayana Solutions. They are the gurus of Acumatica customization, especially when it comes to low-code, no-code solutions. They can help you figure out how to unlock the full potential of your software. And you know what? They've got a fantastic team ready to help.
Sounds like a no-brainer. How can people reach them?
Their number is 678-910-2774. Give them a call, tell them we sent you, and get ready to transform your business.
Love it. Go ahead, listeners. Take the plunge. You won't regret it.
That's right. This is your chance to make your software work for you, not the other way around.
Power to the people.
Power to the people.